A client came to me with a birthday card in hand. The card was in portrait format, decorated with a floral border and elegant happy birthday text. The client said, "Can you convert this design into landscape?" I took the card in my hands and started analyzing it. I looked at the border. I looked at the typography. I looked at the spacing. I knew that simply rotating or stretching it would destroy the design. For a moment, I felt confused, then something clicked in my mind. I thought to myself, why should I struggle manually when I can describe exactly what I want? At that moment, I got an idea. I'll use a clear AI prompt. I sat down at my computer, checked and typed, "Convert this portrait birthday card into landscape format, keep the floral border, maintain elegant typography, and preserve the original design balance." Within seconds, the design transformed. The card was now in landscape format. The border adjusted naturally. The text stayed centered and elegant. No distortion. No redesign. Just results. I turned to the client and said, "Here you go." The client smiled. And I smiled too, because what looked complicated was solved in seconds. This is the power of clear prompting in modern graphic design. If you want to work faster and smarter, learn how to explain your ideas, not fight the tools. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.